Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to disable Google Drive on your computer or completely remove it from your PC in this full 2026 walkthrough. Whether Drive is slowing down your system, syncing things you don't want, or you just don't need it anymore, I'll show you exactly how to turn it off the right way. All right, first step, open the Google Drive app from your taskbar. It might be hiding in the bottom right corner, so just click the little arrow and you should see the Drive icon. Go ahead and open the menu. Now, if you only want to disable Drive without uninstalling it, you can pause syncing. Just click the gear icon, then choose Pause Syncing. This basically stops Drive from touching your files, without removing the app. But if you want Drive completely disabled on your computer, like no syncing at all, you can disconnect your account. Click the gear again, go to Preferences, then choose Disconnect Account. This stops Google Drive from linking to your PC entirely. And if you're thinking, yeah, I just want it gone, then uninstalling is the cleanest option. To do that, open your Start menu and search for Add or Remove Programs. Scroll through the list, find Google Drive, and click Uninstall. The process takes a moment, but once it's done, Drive is fully removed from your system. This part is optional, but if you want to clean up leftovers, you can manually delete the Google Drive folder. It's usually inside your user folder under Google Drive. If the folder is empty or disconnected, you can safely remove it. And that's basically it. That's how you disable Google Drive, disconnect it, or completely remove it from your PC in a clean way. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks for watching.